Hello, A.B.L.E Ensemble Sunday class. I am going to help you make your spider finger puppet for the story of Sally, Marcelline, Frankenstein. So what you're going to need for this craft is you're going to need your black craft foam, 2 googly eyes, 4 black pipe cleaners, 1 red pipe cleaner, scissors or a craft knife, and a Sharpie marker. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use your craft foam board, and you need to trace a circle in the craft foam board. Now you can either use a bowl and press down super hard on it, and that'll leave you a trace right here in the foam board. And you can cut that, or if you want to be extra cautious, you can actually go ahead and trace it with a marker so that you have that. Then get your scissors and go ahead and cut a circle out of your craft foam. Ta-da! There's your craft foam circle. Now, you're going to make 4 small circles in a straight line along the bottom of your circle. So if you have this, like right across on the bottom there, 4 holes. What you can do is use the top of your Sharpie marker and again press real hard in there in a straight line. And then you'll have your 4 little holes. I think you can kind of see that. There we go. 4 holes right there. So go ahead and then cut out those holes. I'm going to use a craft knife. You can still use scissors if you want. Now you have 4 holes. Now press your fingers through to make sure they fit. There's your spider hands. Alright, so next thing you're going to do is you're going to poke small holes on both sides of the circle for the pipe cleaner leg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do one like right here, and there, and there. And I'm going to make a dot with a Sharpie. And I think maybe you can see those little holes that I made. There we go, right there. So, go ahead and use your scissors this time and make a hole straight through. Now, once you're done doing that, take your pipe cleaner, feed one into the pipe cleaner through one of the holes, like that. Alright, and then tie a knot in the back so that the little leg doesn't pop out. It's got a little knot there, so boink. Do that for all 4 holes. Now you got some spider legs, and you can fold those legs however you want to make your spider start to come alive. So, after that, peel the back, if I can get them off of the table, of the googly eyes, and stick them onto your spider. So now, it's starting to come together. Lastly, fold your red pipe cleaner in half, like this, alright? And then poke 2 small holes in the craft foam under the eyes and feed the red pipe cleaner through that. that's going to be your spider's mouth. So right about there and there, and you'll see in a second. That is your spider's mouth. So then you can stick your fingers back through. And that's your spider.